fabulous colors. Ganda.
Thank you.
Kumusta kayong dalawa?
Super happy and okay.
You are at your most beautiful. Ganda. Totoo. Totoo.
Pinaka-fresh na ira ko to.
Totoo, no?
Thank you po.
And after 16 days, when your wedding, 16 days after your wedding, ano yung, Zainab, ano yung pakiramdam na finally, we are married?
Ako talaga overwhelmed ako kasi hindi ko naman siya in-expect na may dadating na ganun para sa akin. Pero at the same time, super happy and grateful ako kay God kasi binigyan niya ako ng isang maayos na ama, partner, at wala na po ako ibang mawiwish. Sobrang bait po kasi talaga niya. Naalala niyo nung unang usap natin? Sabi mo, you know him. Mabait siya. Nasa behind the camera pa siya, pero ngayon kasama ko na siya.
How do you call him?
Daddy Ray.
Ray, how do you feel? Ano ang pakiramdam?
Sobrang blessed na God was able to provide for a lovely wedding and to use us talaga as testimony ng love story talaga namin. So
Ganda.
thank you rin for having us.
No, sana I'd be able to, I would love to host a small dinner for you. You know, I hosted a dinner for Kiefer.
Wow.
Yes, and
Congratulations to
Diana. Wala lang, yung kwentuhan lang, 10 ano lang.
Let's go.
Di ba? Para kwentuhan lang. And it was a grand wedding. You know, on my way here, gandang-ganda ako sa wedding gown, gandang-ganda ako sa, that walk, gandang-ganda ako sa lahat.
Thank you
lahat,
so much.
lahat talaga.
Thank you so much.
Oo. And was that what you always dreamt of?
No, actually, yung first decision namin nung nag-start pa lang kami magplano is simple wedding lang. Intimate and simple. So sa lahat po ng interviews ko, nasasabi ko na gusto ko lang talaga ng simple. But binless kami ni God na may pinadala siyang tao na ginawa po yung wedding na yan. Yung venue.
Yung venue from the ground up talaga.
From the ground up to po talaga na 5 months ginawa yung venue.
Ganda nung wedding gown.
And nung nakita namin yung wedding venue, parang sobrang na-overwhelm kami na sabi namin, kailangan namin i-give back doon sa nag-bless sa amin, na ninong namin na, okay, we need to get the best suppliers and everything. That's why mukha siya naging big wedding.
Yan, gusto ko yan.
Oh, thank you so
Di ba?
much.
Ganda. Fairy tale. Did you share that idea na dapat simple lamang intimate?
Yes.
Ray?
Ako naman, agree talaga ako sa mga ideas ni Belle. She is so creative. And pag talagang may plano siya, gusto niya masusunod kasi yun talaga yung strength niya.
At ang guwapo mo rin ngayon.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, I know
Masaya po.
I think in an interview or post, even you were quoted to have said na sana ang mga imbitado walang +1 kasi it's very gusto ko lahat ng umattend ng wedding.